Here are 40 widely used Selenium scripts covering a broad range of automation and testing scenarios. Open a web page, WebDriver driver equal new Chrome driver, driver.get example.com. Clicking a button, web element button equal to driver find element by ID my button button click. Filling out a form, web element username equal to driver find element by ID username. Username dot send keys my username. Web element password equal to driver dot find element by ID password dot send keys my password. Web element login button driver find element by ID login button dot click. This is filling out a form. Verifying page title, string expected title equal to expected title, string actual title equal to driver dot get title, assert equals expected title actual title. This will give the assertion. Navigating between pages, driver dot navigate to another page.com. Handling alerts, alert driver dot switch to alert dot accept to accept the alert dot dismiss the alert. Working with frames, we go through this again. Handling alerts, alert the driver dot switch to alert dot accept to accept the alert dot dismiss to dismiss the alert. Working with frames, driver dot switch to dot frame name switch to a frame by name or ID, or driver dot switch to dot frame 0 switch to a frame by index. Handling dropdowns, web element dropdown equal to dropdown driver dot find element by ID dropdown. Select equal to new select dropdown, select dot select by visible text option 1. Scrolling, script executed JS, script executed driver, JS execute script, window dot scroll by 0 to 500. Capturing screenshots, file screenshot file, take screenshot driver dot get screenshot as output file dot file utils dot com dot copy file screenshot file new file screenshot dot png. Handling checkboxes, web element checkbox equal to driver find element by ID my checkbox dot click to toggle the checkbox. Mouse actions, for example hovering. Actions equal to new actions driver, web element driver dot find element by ID my element, actions dot move to element dot perform hover over the element. Drag and drop, web element source driver dot find element by ID source element, web element target equal to driver find element by ID target element. Actions equal to new actions driver actions dot drag and drop source target build perform. Handling cookies, adding a cookie equal to new cookie name value driver dot manage dot add cookie. Deleting a cookie driver dot manage dot delete cookie. Waiting for elements to be present, WebDriver wait equal to new WebDriver wait driver 10 web element equal to the wait dot until expected conditions dot presence of element located by ID my element. Switching windows, string parent window handle equal to driver dot get window handle. For string window handle, driver dot get window handles. If not, window handle dot equals parent window handle, driver dot switch to window handle. Break. Executing script executed JS, script executor driver, js.execute script, document.get element by id, my element.set attribute name, attribute value. Getting text from elements, web element equal to driver, find element by id, my element string text equal to element.get text. Performing assertions. Web element dot equal to driver, find element by id, my element assert true element is displayed. Closing the browser, driver dot quit. Getting current URL. String current URL equal to driver dot get current URL. Selecting radio buttons, web element radio button, driver dot find element by id, radio button dot click. Clearing text fields, web element text field equal to driver, find element by id, my text field dot clear. Handling pop-ups. String parent window handle, driver equal to driver dot get window handle. For string window handle, driver dot get window handles. If not window handle equals parent window handle, driver dot switch to window handle, driver dot close the pop-up window, driver dot switch to window parent window handle, switch back to the parent window, break. Executing actions with key events. Actions equal to new actions, driver actions dot send keys dot enter, build, perform. Handling frames with index. Driver dot switch to frame 0, switch to the first frame. Maximizing the browser window. Driver dot manage window, maximize navigating backward and forward, driver dot navigate back, driver navigate forward. Verifying element presence, boolean is element present, driver dot find elements by id element, my element dot size greater than 0. Getting attribute value of an element. Web element equal to driver dot find element by id, my element string attribute value equal to my element dot get attribute name. Performing right click action. Actions equal to new actions, driver web element equal to driver find element by id, my element actions dot context click element dot perform right click action. Executing a script on element. Web element equal to driver find element by id, my element script executor driver execute script arguments 0 dot click element. Handling file upload. Web element file input equal to driver find element by id, file upload, file input equal to send keys path to file. Switching a parent frame, driver dot switch to parent frame. Handling multiple select drop downs. Web element multi select equal to driver dot find element by id, multi select equal to new select multi select dot select by visible text option 1, select dot select by visible text option 2. 36 is highlighting element. Web element driver find element by id, my element script executor driver dot execute script arguments 0, set attribute style border to pixel solid red element. Getting css value. Web element driver find element by id, my element string css value element dot get css value color. Taking a full page screenshot. Screenshot equal new a shot dot shooting strategies dot view port pass. Pasting 1000 dot take screenshot driver image io dot write screenshot dot get image png new file full page screenshot dot png. Handling iframes. Driver dot switch to dot frame driver dot find element by tag name iframe. Getting coordinates of an element. Web element equal to driver find element by id, my element point location equal to element dot get location. Int x equal to location dot get x, int y equal to location dot get y. These scripts encompass a variety of tasks commonly performed in Selenium automation and testing. Feel free to modify and expand upon them according to your specific requirements.